تعلم أسماء الحيوانات باللغه الانجليزيه.
A dolphin. A dolphin.
A whale. A whale.
A kangaroo. A kangaroo.
A duck. A duck. A fish. A fish. A chicken. A chicken. A crocodile. A crocodile. A bird. A bird. A mouse. A mouse.
A snake. A snake.
A rabbit. A rabbit. A dog. A dog. A cat. A cat. A goat. A goat. A camel. A camel. A sheep. A sheep. A wolf. A wolf. A horse. A horse. A bear. A bear. A monkey. A monkey. A giraffe. A giraffe. A tiger. A tiger. An elephant. An elephant. A lion. A lion. A frog. A frog.